So as you can tell, it kind of sounds like the notes are moving, and they actually are, and it's a combination of like a chord that creates that like color bass, future bass kind of synth. So I'm gonna open up a Serum and just see if I can make something similar. So let me open up a MIDI, and I will turn this one off for now and just play the drums. So I'm gonna open up a Serum, and we're gonna make a note in G sharp because that's the key of the song. It's in G sharp. So I'll just make like a basic kind of quarter note pattern, and I usually like to start with quarter note patterns and then kind of develop the sound and then make a more interesting pattern once I have the bass design laid out. So ooh, that's quite loud. Let me turn this down a bit. All right, so let's turn this down to a couple of octaves. Let me see if there's anyone asking questions. All right, so let's just do the quarter note for about, say, like 4 bars, like that. All right, so what we want to do for a Future Riddim sound is making your normal typical rhythm bass, and then there is a technique which allows you to create a chord within the bass, so you get a lot more tonality out of it, and it kind of plays a melody. So if we grab one of, like, you can use any wavetable if you which you like, but I like to use some of the digital ones. They sound really simple and kind of clean. So I'm just gonna go through and find one I like. So usually I will put an LFO onto the wavetable position like that and set it to like 1/2 or 1/4. That way I can scrub through the wavetable, and then I usually just skip through until I find something I like. Like this one's really good. I like this a lot. So I'm gonna do something. I'm just gonna scrub through it that way, and then what we will do is add LFO2, and I like to now shape the level with LFO2. So this is gonna shape the wavetable position, and then LFO2 is going to shape the volume or level. So then we can do this and make kind of a basic rhythm LFO shape, which is used in a lot of rhythm sounds. It's kind of something similar to like this, and I like to do some kind of fancy curves.